Okay, in this video, let's see how to manage flooring credit. So here we have the list of the purchase agreement that has been created. So for the particular agreement where you need to do the flooring, you go to action, click on view purchase agreement. Then click on flooring credit. You can see all the details are auto-fetched from the purchase agreement already. So in case you want to make any details, any reference number, anything, you can add in here. You can choose the finance company. So here you can, we can see by default, the number of days duration is set to 90 days. In case you want to amend it, yes, you can click on here and amend the due date. Here you can enter the flooring amount. So for this, for example, I enter $50,000. So here we enter the interest rate, say 2.5%. So this is the amount, interest amount calculated. In case you want to add any notes or anything, you can add it here, then click on generate. After this, we can see that the flooring agreement is done. And once you receive the amount from the flooring company, you can key in the receipt here. So the amount receivable is $50,000. So you can key in the receipt, how you are receiving it into your account by Pay Now. Then you can choose your bank, and then you have any reference number, you can key in here and save. So go and see. You can see the receipt is done and the status is paid here. So this is how we receive the flooring amount into our account. Next, when we want to do a settlement, that is when we want to pay back the amount, you can go here. You can choose whether you are doing a full settlement or partial settlement. If it's partial, you can key in the amount here. If it's full, the amount is already there. The interest is calculated for how percentage of interest and the amount. And this is the total amount. So here you can do the payment. Click on payment method, Pay Now, and you choose the bank and you save. So when we go back and see, so when the payment is done, we can see the status is updated to paid. So this is how we do the flooring credit in Moiboo. Thank you.